Good morning and Kardong Gorbing lang. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Jenu Vlogs. And title ke lang mention ni popini ko busy video ke wan hingji mapo. And don't worry tom after a long days ko ane kang hong lo and 1 month sa pimen lo. And don't worry tom ali tom booking na ma vlog to ang talang dam delang pulote da ay batan wanji lala. And don't worry tom make ta yang ke pinanjo. Mega saya lalu excited kong lo don mereka masih pinya video bang kenang itu kiceng kijunang lang don excited pengen lo and ning tarong pengen lo don mereka nilitom hema metana so piela ya John Pli je alo Johnny api Johnny ya and don mereka mo amens tami comment section lang irig no de John Pli alo Johnny api Johnny lala yo cute so kali chumi mo amen irig no de don male tempo kilang me so kali yo okay don male tom non mangi ready love lo and don male tom pining excited pingalo and nalito mas support kan hon join lo and don male tom non nili ki poni bangke helmet pon man moto vlogging fan and riding jacket lage tank bag lama pon pelo and la so tank bag ta nili RG ding piklo kena sa mene use epina and la bangke nili wala RC hedi KTM RC 390 da document side dolablo la pen chabi da dolablo la mangi pini so package po la mangi ning da dukta dolo don marle to Kalau nih kita RC 390 ke, and ini bangga lahan ke goodbye punang kok po. Alaman ke kwane memories dolablo 2018 pen los tamen nili lanche vego only 20,000 ve lang nili ke vek kilometer bangke. And penangan memories ta dolo kwane niltum. Penang memories dolo donal nalitum YouTube la vlogs long same tek long po moto vlogging kun same penangan. Memories dolo la pen same and pini bangke last day lo tapos ending oita do sita mane non ala kimi bangse kiwani pula he masih lala and lalo apa ending oike do okay don't worry tuh nang nasa backyard nang po and ke jare ke dak NB Motors long ya apa tuh? Oh, apa masalah man? Alamat apa? Betul mana tu? Nongge, nongge dah macam le ya. And helmet aja ponder lah, and man moto vlogging kali kan. And betul mana tu? Nilai paklang pun alam Sofi. Dah. Dah aku hulak ya. Okay, don mari to. Finally, KTM nogong lo ang leala. Quick na. Lala yo. Ni booking a bike. Okay, finally, jo lang may pingan di don mari to. Hello. Lang mesin lah. Okay. So RC 200 to nili nang booking pa naman hadi layo. That's so bike ba.
stupid silence. You've been standing right there all along, even though it's been unspoken so long. I'm only waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. You know I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love. Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So upset, I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? You want it for us, even though you don't wanna say it. You've been saying it softly, with no words. You whisper with your eyes. I'm waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. No, I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love, baby. Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So upset, I've waited till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign, I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? Don't you feel the same? Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. Some say I've waited till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I'm waiting for a sign.
Okay, finally, 1 month of people, 1 month of hills, chulong me. Nanti tum the booking of lost the mail and polong lo, and pini bange jo. Finally, dream success lo. Nanti tum support kan pana join lo. Don mari tum lapen ke thank you mom and dad. Nili pa nili pohan sa me nili pana support porlan and Ginu family next bange nanti adventure video lo silang polong ko lasi kaddo ko wes tame moto vlogging lang chatong ingnata.
কোনটো ভালো বল ইয়াতে ভালো বনি ন ইয়াতে ভালো দুটাই ভাল আগৰ আছে এই প্ৰথম এটা পেটল পাব হেতু নহয় তা আগৰ আছে আচ্ছা আচ্ছা মোৰ লগত আহ
এইফালে পৰা জালে হল নেকি ডাইৰেক্ট ও মাই গড
इंडिकेटर बंद कर दी
ajo si wan penerong mat hedi yo oh kang tui oh man pini dream success set lo don mali to and next ke bang insta me ek tum pura adventure video log lo bang ik po don mali to halo oh ke vek me he don mali tum chethan se jok lo and finally a showroom lo same
Rockna giri rockna pula ta
okay
Kimang mau phone mau lah phone tu. Phone mai lah kalau phone tu rest.
Okay, nili ke Charlie na ingta do lang alamang ki new machine lo. Okay, don made to finally dream success lo and jodi to nali to ma thank no lo KTM Adventure 390 and don made to RC bang ke break up lo don bang Adventure new girlfriend. Nasi don made to mo nali to mana next video mas tame adventure video la pen ke akhilo nane tour kita mo hai video lo si teknolong bo la si ini ngarong lo nali to support nali to kang hon na join lo la pen thank you mom and dad nali to watching hon lo lalo and tame ni tekada lo ning ta rong pikan lo la si hembang pale po mo da tame pen na lang chatani ko and nali tum tame da KTM no gong showroom lo nali tum jong si RC bike hai lang i polote non akimi model da nangle at lo pomo nali tum teknolong lo and don't say Haska Warna da naing pote test drive hai naing pote description on dolo nang tum check non laga and ini ke dag yo ni imang nang nag yo dak chi dit lo da ahok pinak lo yo imang so nang nawas tame pane 1 month of pipen lo yo so guys tame thank you for your support and keep supporting Genu family and never give up kado same contact